Paul Roback, the Community Development Educator, and Carol Bralich, the Human Development and Relationships Educator, have facilitated Real Colors workshops since 2014. Together, Paul and Carol help employees from the public, private, and nonprofit sectors throughout Washington County and surrounding areas. Organizations and local governments often express need for staff development and effective communication and team building. In response, Paul and Carol teach and facilitate the Real Colors workshop.
Real Colors is a fun and interactive workshop that helps participants understand their strengths, the strengths of others, increases people's understanding of how others process information, and teaches people how to modify their communication to connect to others.
What makes Real Colors unique is that it bridges theory with real-life applications, making the instrument easily accessible and understandable.
When individuals attend a Real Colors workshop, it will improve and enhance their personal and professional relationships. The techniques learned through Real Colors can help bring about lasting and positive change, resulting in higher levels of success for everyone.